15 incredible future vehicles you must see 2024. Embark on an exciting ride through the future of transportation. Discover 15 groundbreaking vehicles of 2024, leaving us to wonder, what new heights will they reach, and how will they shape our journeys ahead? 15. Neutron Bike. Get ready to step into the future of transportation with the Neutron Bike. Think of a sleek and powerful future marvel that combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology, inspired by the iconic Tron movie no less. 14. Full Moon Motorcycle. Are you ready to embark on a ride into the future with the Full Moon Motorcycle, a true masterpiece in motion? Picture yourself cruising on this futuristic marvel, crafted from a collaboration between Kavish and Dream Machine motorcycles. But here's the kicker. Can you imagine riding a bike with a striking aluminum and carbon 30-inch front wheel resembling a full moon? Powered by an S&M Best Knucklehead 124cc engine and boasting custom-made Acropo exhausts, this bike is as powerful as it is visually stunning. 13. Honda Riding Assist. Imagine riding an incredible future motorcycle that feels like it has a mind of its own, maintaining balance effortlessly, responding to your gestures, and even projecting info onto your windshield. That's the magic of the Honda Riding Assist system. It's not just about stability, it's about enhancing your entire riding experience, creating a deeper connection between you and your bike. With Honda's innovative technology, the future of riding is here, and it's more exciting than ever. 12. Sciata R Electric Superbike. The Sciata R Electric Superbike, known as the Sierra R, stands as an incredible future vehicle redefining urban commuting with its electric powertrain and nimble handling. 11. Sora by Leto. For those of you who seek luxury in the fast lane, the Sora by Leto performance. From its handcrafted design to its powerful electric motor, the Sora represents the perfect marriage of elegance and raw power. 10. PZ Monor Racer. Presenting the PZ Monor Racer, an innovative fusion of motorcycle agility and car safety, blending seamlessly into what can only be described as a futuristic motorcycle pod. Despite its unconventional concept, this vehicle has defied odds by transitioning from blueprints to full-scale prototypes and successfully entering production. 9. Widescape WS250. Experience the winter landscape in a whole new light with the Widescape WS250, an innovative and thrilling stand-up snowmobile. Sporting a 105-inch scale track, a 12-inch single ski, and a thumb-handled throttle, this snowmobile offers an exhilarating ride like no other. 8. Veiler. Step into the future of personal transportation with the Veiler, an extraordinary concept developed by Bellwether Industries. This innovative urban aircraft, also known as the Bellwether Flying Car, offers a groundbreaking solution for on-demand travel. Designed to provide individuals with seamless and efficient transportation, the Veiler boasts a distinctive lifting body design, a discrete propulsion system, and a compact profile. 7. Chevrolet FNR Concept. Picture this, a car straight out of a sci-fi fantasy, the Chevrolet FNR Concept. It's not just any electric vehicle, it's a marvel of technology. With electric motors that defy convention, a sleek capsule-like body, and headlights powered by crystal lasers, it's a futuristic dream come true. 6. Super Yacht Sub 3. Experience the Super Yacht Sub 3, a compact yet powerful private submarine designed for deep-sea exploration. With room for 3 adventurers and a maximum depth of 300 meters, this underwater marvel offers unparalleled views through its transparent viewport. 5. ACAP Hybrid Helicopter Concept. Behold the ACAP Hybrid Helicopter Concept, a masterpiece born from the collaboration of visionary digital design students. Crafted over 9 months of relentless pursuit, This marvel seamlessly merges the best of helicopter agility with the soaring prowess of an airplane. 4. Equator Aircraft Excursion. Introducing the Equator Aircraft Excursion, the world's first electric SE plane designed in Norway. Available in 2- and 4-person variants, it offers high speeds, long range, and low fuel consumption. The 2-seater already tested boasts a payload of 485 pounds and a top speed of 149 miles per hour, needing just 1,312 feet for water takeoff and 1,148 feet on a runway. 3. UDX Airwolf. Get ready to soar into the future with Airwolf, a cutting-edge 2-seat hover bike designed for vertical takeoff and landing. This futuristic bike is now open for registrations, inviting enthusiasts and seeking investors to join the adventure. With impressive specs like a top speed of 230 km per hour, going from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds, and a flight time of up to 25 minutes covering a range of 66 kilometers, Airwolf promises an exhilarating experience. Plus, it can carry a hefty payload of 150 kilograms. 2. Twike. Swiss students introduced the Twike, a vehicle that gained such popularity it entered production. The Twike 3 model remains in production today, believed to be ahead of the competition. The upcoming Twike 5 combines the benefits of a bicycle and an electric car. Assisted by a 61-horsepower electric motor powered by a battery, the Twike offers an impressive range of up to 311 miles. Steering is managed by 2 levers, which the manufacturers claim is more convenient. The price for this sleek vehicle ranges from $38,000 to $48,000. 1. Nimbus 1. Nimbus 1 stands as a beacon of sustainable innovation in the realm of electric vehicles. Boasting cutting-edge design and advanced technology, it symbolizes the future of eco-conscious transportation. With its sleek aesthetics and impressive performance, Nimbus 1 redefines the way we envision electric mobility, inspiring a greener and more sustainable tomorrow. As we wrap up our expedition of 15 incredible futuristic vehicles of 2024, we're reminded of the boundless possibilities ahead in automotive innovation. From electric supercars to autonomous marvels, the future of transportation is truly electrifying. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content.